So, good day guys! Meron tayong bagong package na padala guys.
May 2 days off ako pero never hindi ako going home. Sa bagay, tinatakot siya mag-open ng laptop.
Wala man ho. Wala po. May bumili lang guys. So, unahin natin itong mabigat. Oh my god! So, yung package halos sira na guys. Kasi, ewan ko ba? Tingnan nga natin paano yung pagkakabalot nito. Hindi pa talaga tinanggal yung barcode at saka yung... Ay naku. Buti na lang nakalusot. If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys. Kailangan tanggalin yun. Kasi nga, yun yung, alam mo naman sa Pilipinas. So guys, meron tayong mga graded cards. Meron tayong malaki dito. Tapos, 1, 2, oh putya, kadami naman ito, 3.
May mga card din ako dyan dito.
Oh, may 2 at saka anong Friday?
Ay, di dumating yung Friday.
Ayan.
Bigla mo, kakalinis ko lang ng saan, punong-puno na naman ng tae.
So, madami-dami tayong open. Umpisahan natin dito sa malaki guys. Kasi own card ko to guys eh. Own card. Ito lang yung own card ko yata of this batch. So, we are at batch 32, I think, or 33. Yeah, I think batch 33 na tayo, guys.
Sila 25%.
And we got this. Yung isa kubit, sabi niya, naayos na daw. Pero, oh, ang ganda naman ng pagkakapak nitong pack. Ang ganda nitong pack ah. So guys, bigay ni JTL, pinagrade ko. Pero kaganda ng pagkakapak ah. Kakapal, angas. Dito kubit naman, buisit. So ayan, pinagrade natin mga packs. So ito yung muna guys. Next one, I think, anong unahin natin? Itong Friday muna, no? So, halo-halo kasi guys. Buisit. Yung pirmado, guys, may auto ako, auto. RCS. Oh, first card. BOA PSA 10. Nice, okay. BOA Hancock PSA 10. Next. Roger PSA 10. Next.
PSA 10 eh.
Ace PSA 10. Next one. Sabo PSA 10. Next, and Tashigi PSA 10. Normal lang tayo guys, hindi natin minamadali. Oh, next batch box 2. So ganun lang tayo kabilis, protect. Ang dami kasing kalat-kalat dito sa table ko guys. So may 4 minutes na tayo sa ating video. Ay, by the way guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. Thank you guys for watching.
Ayun na yun.
Teka. So, kanina to. Wait nga lang. Ito sa kabila siguro to.
Siguro.
Visit kasi, di. Walang... Ito muna. Next. PSA 10 Umbreon. So mahal na pala to guys, isang promo card. Nakukuha sa collection. Sorry maingay, nasa tindahan tayo. Next, Trafalgar Law PSA 10. Next one, Dracula Mihawk PSA 10. Next, Bone Perch Bureau Burst PSA 10. So ulitin ko guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. Teka, ibang card yata to. Ay hindi, sige. Mega Lachas PSA 10. Then Pikachu from Black Star Promo 2003 PSA 6. Next one, Pikachu PSA 8 McDonald 2001 collection. Meron, maganda to guys. Gusto ko yun. I like that. And Green Ninja PSA 10. Sana sa akin na lang to. Pero sorry, hindi sa akin. Next one. Ano natin? Shanks, ito'y galing sa akin to guys. Shanks PSA 10. Binili sa akin to. So pinagrade niya sa akin. Yan, nag-10. Swerte niya. Then Shanks Silver. Mahal na to guys, $2,000. So almost 20k. Mahal na to guys, mahal na. Then Zoro from Anniversary Collection PSA 10 ulit. Nice one. Maganda yung mga batches natin for this batch. Zoro ulit, PSA 10. Not bad. Zoro ulit, PSA 10. Not bad. Then, Green Ninja, PSA 9. PSA 9 Green Ninja. And, Charizard. Collection box, PSA 10. And, last is the Mega Lucario, PSA 10. So that's nice, right? Nice submission. So bilangin natin 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. 21 lang to. Double check natin later guys. Pero ayun. Next box naman is this. Wait lang. So next naman guys is this. Mewtwo PSA 1, then Lucario PSA 10, then Glaceon PSA 10, Iono PSA 10. Next box guys, next box. Last box pala tayo guys, last box for this video. So again guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. Thank you guys for watching. So next guys, next. Ito medyo madami din to guys. Alright, sorry Scott. We got a stack of slabs. Next, we got Umbreon PSA 8 from Call of Legends 2011. We got PSA 10 Pikachu Surge SAR. So next one, we got Luffy Magazine Volume 1 PSA 10. We got Oricorio PSA 10 from Collection Box Ultra Premium Collection. And we got another Mega Lachas Sa tagal ko nag-grade guys, puro may galachas yung nakikita ko. Ewan ko ba. We got Boa Hancock from EB03 PSA 10. Next one, Charizard from Brilliant Star PSA 10. And Green Ninja PSA 10. So ano sa akin na lang to. Next one, Yamato from EB03 again PSA 10. Next one, Piplup from Project Piplup PSA 10. Dragonite PSA 7. Next one, Charizard from ano ba tawag dito? Phantasmal Flame Japanese. Inferno X. Next one, Excadrill PSA 10. Then Divine Departure English from OP10. Next one, it's Hydreigon PSA 10. Meowth PSA 10, Chinese Meowth. Ito gusto ko to guys kasi lumilipad yung mga lanterns. Angas, panis. Next one.
Ligo muna ako dito.
Sige. Chinese again, Ceruledge. Next one, Bulbasaur PSA 1. And another Victini PSA 10. And another Gardevoir PSA 10. So that's it guys. May second batch tayo. So batch 34 I think yan or 33. Pero nakalimutan ko na. So makikita nyo na lang sa post. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And always remember guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos or you scan the QR above here. Or yeah, I'm gonna play the video. See you guys next one. Peace.